Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Have you seen those shiny gold notes popping up on your Instagram feed? It's like everybody suddenly struck gold. Well, today we're going to demystify this trend and show you exactly how to get your notes to turn gold. So, what's the deal with these gold notes? It's actually a pretty cool little feature that Instagram rolled out. To get your note to shine like gold, all you need to do is to use the right words or emojis. So, Instagram Note is a feature that allows users to share short text based updates with their followers or select groups of close friends. Think of them as a mini status updates or quick thoughts that you can share. Notes are limited to 60 characters, encouraging concise and quick messages. Like Instagram stories, notes disappear after 24 hours. You can choose to share your note with all your followers or just your close friends. So, what about the gold notes? Gold notes are those notes where when it turns golden color because of some trigger words like gold, Olympics, Olympian, podium, victory, medal, goat, torch, and their corresponding emojis. You can use those emojis on your Instagram notes and simply get the golden color. This golden note feature is rolled out for Olympic Games. And there you have it. Creating gold notes on Instagram is as easy as using a few specific words and emojis. It's a fun way to add a touch of glitz to your post and show your support for the Olympics.